Hello everyone, this is Daniel for Artificial Intelligence Colombia on YouTube. Um, Let me pause this. Well, in this small video of today, we are going to clean some data, and right now I will teach you how to use Pandas library to clean um, a dataset of, let me show you, no, a dataset of 5,000, no, 50,000 words in Russian. We are going to create like a game or a translator from Russian to English to Spanish. Now, the first step is to take this whole dataset and create a script that will clean our list of words. So, for this, we are going to implement lambda functions to iterate over each record, and then we are going to save the dataset into a new CSV file. So let's do it. According to ChatGPT, an awesome tool for that, for improving our work, this is a very simple process, and I'm going to open as well. Oh, se me olvidó dónde es que la tengo, weón. Oh. Lambda function, lambda function arguments. No me acuerdo dónde está. I'm trying to find a file where I have my notes about lambda functions, but anyway. So first is to import, of course, the pandas library. After that, we are going to define the file path and to load the CSV file. If we printed df, as you can see, if we data shape, it's an error because I forgot to comment this. One column, 50,000 records, and here we have our dataset. Okay, so we already loaded the file. Now let's clean the column. So def that open a new file for writing, read the first row of your CSV, interpret the column indexes as the header, write the header, write the first row, write the rest of the row, I believe this can be done in a simpler way. So import, read the contents, yeah. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? ¿Qué pasó, mi amor? Espérate, yo termino esto. Okay. Let's see if by doing this we will add the header. Then here. In this case, in this snippet, I believe the dataset has only 3 rows. Yeah, 3 columns. Therefore, there is a header list with 3 elements. But in this case, we only have one column, but I believe it will be more efficient if first I add all the columns and after that I do the headers stuff, as each column has 50,000 records of different languages, Russian, English, and Spanish. So we are not adding headers yet. So disconnected, reconnecting. So. ¿Estamos grabando? ¿Dónde estamos grabando? Sí, estamos grabando. Ok, andate pues para la mierda. So, add the header. df no, clean column, no. Oh, ya entendí, parce. We need to add the headings, whether if we want to clean the data or not. Yeah. Okay. So Russian. We are going to use the same location of the original file. Clean data, header, false. I wonder why we are not including the index, but okay. Header, row header. And index false, and file to CSV display. No. Header. Display. Sorry for my cats. They are kind of joyful today. CSV, and we are going to define the path of the new file to be read, and finally it's good. Display CSV file print df header df modification 1. Final filter. Oh, mierda. It's df, yeah. Great. A ver. No great. this is the raw data, but in this case we have no header. Okay, so let's see. Instead of one value, we define the header list just with one element, such as the snippet provided by this website. Now let's see if it does work. And as you can see, we already added our header for the first column of our dataset. Now, we understood that for adding headers to an already existing file in CSV format, we have to include the headers in a list. Okay, now let's move with the cleaning step. Now I'm not used to just copy and paste a code from any source, because I like to understand it, to be very precise in the variables required for my file, and to perform all the steps in a very detailed fashion. So instead of copying it, I like just to type in it and extra spaces. Now df. Now that we already have our headings, we can call the column Russian. Yes, Russian. No. Apply. ¿Dónde es que está esa puta cosa? Ojalá me acordara, hombre. Pero no me acuerdo. Bueno. Okay, so let's understand what this code does. We are going to call a lambda function x. We are going to import the regular expressions library. Lambda. So this function will be applied on each record. Now what we are going to do in each one So what does sub means? Sub function from Python regular function. So substitute, and its purpose is to replace occurrences of a specified pattern. So remove digits and empty spaces, change it, change them into nothing, because here we remove everything, and do it for each record. In this case is X. Yeah. Expression pattern that matches any sequence of digits represents any digit, means one or more digits. So substitute, then any digit or any sequence of digits. Okay. This I believe had for and change any digit for just no value in each record. Okay, and the strip function commute function applied into a series stripper. And the strip removes any leading and trailing spaces from the clean. Okay, so in this case we are going to take first any digit and replace it with none, with no value. Then we the leftover is in this format. I hope you can see it. The Russian word with the trailing space, and the strip is going to delete this space, but I don't know why this is launching this red color, but anyway. Save cleaned data. Entonces df mod 1 yeah, df mod punto to csv and let's define the path of the cleaned data file. just for testing. Let's see. No. No. Russian. ¿Por qué, hombre? Hijo de puta. Russian. Vamos a ver si es cierto. I believe this is because of this. We are calling the wrong values or the wrong column name, but I don't understand why is that. So import the raw data. Define the path of that data. Then load the CSV file, define the header name, and save that file into a new file with the header. This is just for testing if this actually worked. Let me let's delete it again. Me estás dando error. Okay, good. At this point we are good. Now let's see what happened here. So df those. What will happen if we do that? Those Russian df. No, ya entendí. A ver, espera. df 3. This is a good sign. That's how we do it. If you can see, now we have the cleaned dictionary with not numeric values, as we can see in the original dataset, and of course with the heading Russian. Thank you very much. This was a small practice but very useful. See you in the next video. Bye.